In spite of the fact that the benchmark S&P 500's average yearly total return did have more than quadrupled by 2021 when compared to the preceding 4 decades, the cryptocurrency market will once again take the spotlight. But there are thousands of cryptocurrencies available on the market right now, which has left many crypto investors puzzled. And most of the time, investors only know that the price of large and well-known digital tokens, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, is less volatile than the price of smaller and less well-known digital tokens. And so, finding the best cryptocurrencies may be tough. But what many people are looking for is the high-risk, high-reward kind of tokens. So, what coins will you buy? Hello and welcome back to Crypto Cash Channel. Which coins do you have in your portfolio? Or are you looking for coins that will make 20x in the next months? In today's video, we look at 5 cryptos that will 20x in the next months. But, first, before we go on, a sub to the channel would be very appreciated. Comment, share the video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up for the video. So, let's get into it. 5. Nano. It has a market capitalization of more than $200 million. However, it is possible that Nano, despite its small size, may be a significant winner for patient investors this year. Nano, like Stellar, is a payment network token that is focused on speed and scalability, and it beats the existing payment infrastructure in terms of both performance and efficiency. Nano is distinguished from the thousands of other payment currency concepts by its use of the blockchain network. Nano makes use of the block lattice blockchain, which is a distributed ledger technology. Using this notion, each user will have their own blockchain, which they will be able to add to whenever they want. Users do not have to compete with other users in order to propose new blocks, and they do not have to worry about obtaining approval from anyone other than the sender and recipient of payment because they have their own blockchain on which to store their information. In other words, Nano's network has the ability to grow tremendously fast without sacrificing its overall performance. When it comes to speed, Nano has the fastest block finality time of any of the algorithms on the list. According to the inventors, a typical transaction is authenticated and settled in less than 1 second, on average. The open representative voting, ORV, consensus technique used by Nano allows for a great deal of variation. So, ORV, to put it simply and without getting too technical, is the key component that permits network transactions to be conducted without incurring fees. To summarize, Nano can complete cross-border transactions in less than a second and at no cost. That is referred to as a competitive edge in the business world. 4. Algorand. It has the potential to triple your money by the end of 2022. One of the most prominent themes on the list is the pursuit of competitive advantages. And Algorand's incredibly efficient execution and scalability are advantageous to its users. In accordance with the most current data provided by Algorand, the network was processing at a rate of 1,162 TPS and had a block finality of 4.36 seconds. When it comes to quality, this is comparable to Stellar. In Algorand, one of the defining characteristics is that the conventional proof-of-stake consensus method has been modified in some way. To participate in the pure proof-of-stake scheme used by Algorand, holders of Algo are selected at random and in secret to propose blocks and vote on proposals. In addition, because of the unpredictability inherent in PPOs, a tiny number of Algo holders cannot be able to collude to bring the network down. However, it is the emphasis on compatibility that makes Algorand such an enticing option for many people. Recognizing that a large number of various blockchain projects are now under development, many of which may not be compatible with one another, the development team has established a working group. Algorand is committed to closing these gaps in order to bring DeFi and dApps into the mainstream. Algorand has all of the talents it will need to triple its revenue in 2022 after quadrupling its revenue in 2021. 3. Stellar. The digital currency Stellar is one that should be considered. Pretend you're in the following situation. In your pocket, you have a few $100s in US dollars, and you want to send money to a friend or family member in the United Kingdom. Validating and clearing this transaction may take up to a week using traditional banking procedures. But in the case of Stellar's blockchain-based network, your US dollars would be changed into lumens, XLM, the network's protocol currency, which would then be transmitted to their destination and converted back into British pounds. And if you are curious as to when you anticipate you'll be able to complete this transaction, well, approximately 4 to 5 seconds are required. According to its developers, Stellar can handle up to 3,000 transactions per second, which is far more than other blockchain-based networks can handle. Stellar's services are also incredibly cost-effective in comparison to other options. On the Stellar network, the average transaction fee is 0.01%. So, in the case of Lumen, we're talking about more than 364,000 transactions at a recent price of $0.181 per lumen, all before a user has even accrued a single penny in fees. When compared to traditional banking fees or even Bitcoin, which has an average transaction price of $2 or more, this is a great deal of money. So, in light of Stellar's track record of successfully negotiating major deals, it is a project that cryptocurrency investors should keep an eye on. 2. Kudum. You might be interested in Kudum, a cryptocurrency that has the potential to triple your money by 2022 if you're searching for something a little less conventional. Bitcoin and Ethereum are highly popular with investors, as seen by their dominance in terms of market capitalization. These networks, on the other hand, have a number of drawbacks. They're slow, cluttered, and come with excessive transaction prices on occasion, to boot. So, Kudum is a blockchain project that aims to bring together the best aspects of both Ethereum and Bitcoin into a single project. The Kudum blockchain combines the Ethereum virtual machine with the exceptionally secure UTXO transaction architecture from the Bitcoin blockchain to create an incredibly safe network. It has resulted in the development of a secure network capable of supporting smart contracts. Thus, Kudum may be used to transmit payments or as a platform for the development of decentralized applications, dApps, such as decentralized financial applications, DeFi. It's yet another viable option for dApp developers, with low transaction fees and the ability to handle up to 70 transactions per second. The Account Abstraction Layer, AAL, of Kudum is another feature that separates it from other competing platforms. For those who are unfamiliar with the terminology, AAL is the component that allows Kudum's engineers to continuously enhance the smart contract component of the blockchain while also ensuring that it stays compatible with the UTXO transaction paradigm no matter how many updates are pushed out. Hence, with a spate of important deals under its belt, Kudum is a surefire bet to outperform the market. 1. Avalanche. In terms of market capitalization, Avalanche is the cryptocurrency that most excites investors, and it has a good chance of doubling in value this year. This decentralized application development platform is powered by smart contracts and has remarkable speed and compatibility, making it a logical choice for decentralized application development. In the context of contract discussions between two parties, smart contracts are a protocol that assists in the verification, facilitation, and enforcement of contract negotiations. According to the Avalanche development team, the blockchain-based network is capable of processing more than 4,500 transactions per second, TPS, and has a block finality time of fewer than 2 seconds per block. As a point of comparison, the two most notable blockchain networks, Bitcoin and Ethereum, can process 7 and 13 transactions per second, and can complete transactions in 60 and 6 minutes, respectively. Because of this, Avalanche is significantly more efficient than the most popularly used cryptocurrencies on the market. However, it is the previously mentioned interoperability that is the main attraction. The fact that Ethereum virtual machine engineers admire it is not a secret. Avalanche's blockchain serves as the foundation for the Ethereum virtual machine. This indicates that decentralized application developers will be able to move their programs to Avalanche's superior network in order to avoid the congestion, high fees, and processing slowness associated with the Ethereum blockchain. And this is a major selling factor for Avalanche in 2022. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for your time and attention. Which of these coins do you think has the highest chance of 20x this year? And which one will you add to your portfolio? Comment below. Let's engage. Also, if you are interested in more videos like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos. Goodbye. See you in the next video.